Back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix Citizen app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the Citizen app. If it's not working, you have to follow the simple steps. Just press and hold the app, then you have to click on this I button. It will open the app info of the app. Okay, so at here you have to scroll down and just click on the storage, and then you have to click on the clear data. Just clear it and then open it again. If it's worked, then fine. If it's not work for you, then you have to check for an update. So checking for an update is easy. You can directly go to the google.com, and at here you can directly search for the Citizen. Let's search for Citizen app. Okay, so from here you can download the latest version of the app and you can use it. So by this way you can fix it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.